It was a warm summer day on the island of Soto. Thomas was taking Andy and Carlo back to the yards. A New York Central locomotive arrived. Thomas wanted to be the first engine to say hello. The engine has New York Central lettering on its tender, the number 5344, 4 pilot wheels and trailing wheels, 6 driving wheels, and a black coat of paint. Thomas, meet Hudson, said Sir Topham Hatt. He is owned by the New York Central Railroad in the United States. Hello, I'm Thomas the Tank Engine. What's your name? Oh, I'm Hudson, New York Central 5344. And this is the controller of the railway, Sir Topham Hatt. Pleased to meet you. Sir, you're supposed to call him Sir. Oh, I'm pleased to meet you, Sir.
I'm very pleased to meet you too.
Hudson, collect your coaches, please. You and your engineer must learn the line. Yes, sir, Hudson answered. Thomas felt very impressed.